This is a gentle sitting yoga stretch, class appropriate for all level. Use this when you want a quiet and mellow practice. We hold the pose for a while and stay on the floor whole time. This is a relaxing yoga practice to help you stretch the whole body and tone your body muscles. As always, do what you can, rest when you need to, and enjoy your practice. Hello everyone, my name is Sarita and today I am going to teach you all sitting asanas. So let's start. We'll sit in comfortable position. Now focus on your breathing and begin with the shoulder rotation. Do for few times and reverse the direction. Inhale and lift your shoulder up high. Exhale and release it down. Do for few times. Every time inhale, shoulder up, exhale and down. Now stretch your arms up and try to pull it to opposite direction. Try to stretch your arms and relax. Now breathe in, inhale and bring your both arms up. Fold your palm. Inhale, exhale and bend to your right side. Come back. Inhale, exhale and bend to your left side. Come back, relax. Pause your moment and get ready for a side stretch. Place your left palm on the floor and reach the right arm up, lengthen and bend to the left side. And in any time, if you feel you're ready to go deeper, move your left arm away from your body and stretch. Come back and prepare for the other side. Reach your left arm up and fold and try to go as much deeper as you can go. Feel the stretching on your side muscles. Breathe in and come back. Relax. Pause for a moment. Now inhale and bring your both arms up. Exhale and slowly bend forward to any point. Pause. Feel the stretching and if your body allows, go a little more forward. Maintain for some time. Breathe normally. Slowly release and come back. Relax. Now we'll twist your waist. Try to bring your left hand on your right knee and push your body as much as you can to your right side. Twist. Feel the pressure on your waist. Come back and same will do from another side also. Put your left hand on your right knee and bend to your left side. Relax, come back. Dandasana, also known as star pose. Sit on the floor on the hips. Spread the legs forward. Place the palm on the floor beside your thigh. Straighten your spine. Press the palm into the floor. Press the thigh down. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds and if possible more than that. Now the next pose is Vajrasana, also known as kneeling pose. Sit on the ground to kneel and put all your body weight on the ankle. Keep your waist, head and neck straight. Feet, ankle, shin and knee should remain in one line. Sit up tall and activate the core muscles. Arm relax on the top of your thigh. Keep the waist, head and neck straight. Focus on one point. Look straight. Stay in this situation for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Enjoy the pose as long as is comfortable, being mindful of the breath. This asana should be practiced very cautiously or not at all by those with a knee problem as it is stretch in the knees. After doing Vajrasana or kneeling pose, now you will do Virasana, also known as hero pose. Keep your knees together as you separate your feet to either side until they are about 18 inches apart. Exhale and lower your butt to sit on the floor between your feet. This posture stretches the thighs and ankle while improving posture. After Virasana, we will do Supta Virasana. It is a recycling variation of Virasana, a seated yoga pose with the leg bent at the knees and the calf resting alongside the thighs, feet pointing backward. It is considered as immediate pose that deeply stretch the back, legs, knees, hip and chest. Try to stretch your arms and breathe normally. Feel the stretch and slowly come back, and with support of your elbow, come back to your sitting position. Tabletop pose is a beginner pose practiced to help bring balance in the body. This pose relieves tension in the spine and it also strengthens the wrist, arm and shoulders. It stretches the spine and strengthens the back muscles. Tabletop pose is mostly used as a starting or transition pose. Now after the tabletop pose, we'll stretch your arms forward in front of you in line with your shoulders. Press your palm forward until your upper back rounds. Maintain this posture for some time. Feel the pressure on your shoulders, on your thighs. Breathe, deep breathe. Slowly come back and relax. Now we'll do reverse plank pose. Place your palm behind your back. Press your palm and lift your hips and torso toward the ceiling. Look up to the ceiling, point your toes and keep your arm and legs straight. Keep your entire body strong and form a straight line from your head to your heel. Relax, come back. Now we'll do Gomukhasana, also known as cow face pose. Bend your right leg and place the right feet under your left buttock. Stack your left knee over your right knee. Raise your left arm above your head and bend the elbow. Simultaneously bring the right arm behind your back and interlock both hands. Take few deep breaths. Stay as long as you are comfortable. Exhale and release your arm. For further twisting, just twist to your opposite side and feel the pressure on your waist. Relax and uncross your legs and repeat for other legs. Same way we'll do. Bring your both arms behind your back and try to interlock. Focus on your breathing. Exhale and slowly release your arms. Bring your hand back. Unlock your leg. Now we'll do butterfly pose. Bend your knees and bring the sole of your feet together as you let your knee fall out of the other side. Draw your feet in close to your body as is comfortable. Back off if you feel any pain in your knees. Butterfly pose help in good flexibility in your hips and in your thighs. After butterfly pose, we are going to do side-seated wide angle pose. Slowly open your leg as wide as you can. Take deep breath. Bring your both hands to your left side and try to hold your ankle or your shin bone. Try to remain as comfortable as possible. Feel the stretching on your side muscles. Breathe in, come back and bring your leg back. Now we will do this from same other side. Stretch your leg as much as possible. Breathe in. Exhale and bend to your right side. Hold your ankle. If possible, shin muscle. Wherever you are comfortable, focus on your breathing. Feel the stretching. Breathe normally. Breathe in, come back and relax. Get comfortable. Relax your shoulders. Place one hand on your belly. Inhale through your nose for at least 2 seconds, feeling the air move into your abdomen and feeling your stomach move out. Your stomach should move more than your chest does. Breathe out and you can feel your stomach going in. Repeat. Focus on your breathing. Do at least for 5 times. Relax. Rub your palm. Put on your face. Give massage to your face muscles, your neck, and relax. Thank you.